One UI 8.5 beta is finally expanding to older Samsung flagships. Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 users are now getting early access, and this could be a big step before the global rollout begins. Samsung has been working on One UI 8.5 for quite some time now. While the stable version has already arrived on newer devices like the Galaxy S26 series, the company hasn't forgotten about older flagship users. In fact, things are now moving faster, and the beta program is expanding in a big way. Recently, Samsung confirmed that One UI 8.5 beta would roll out to more devices beyond the latest models, and now that rollout has officially started for foldable users. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 are finally receiving their first One UI 8.5 beta update. This is important because foldable devices usually get updates a bit later compared to standard flagship phones. But this time, Samsung is clearly trying to speed things up and bring new features to more users sooner. Before this, the beta was already available for devices like the Galaxy S25 Ultra and even the newer Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Samsung also pushed multiple beta updates for the Galaxy S25 series, with the 8th beta being released just recently. So, the company has been actively testing and refining this software. Now, with the inclusion of older foldables like the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, it shows that Samsung is confident enough to expand testing on a larger scale. According to reports, the One UI 8.5 beta builds for these foldable devices first appeared in South Korea. That's usually how Samsung handles its beta programs. Korea often gets the update first and then it slowly expands to other regions. But this time, Samsung didn't wait too long. Users in India have also started reporting that the One UI 8.5 beta is now available for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is a strong sign that the rollout is happening faster than expected. If this trend continues, we can expect the beta to reach more regions very soon. Countries like the United States, the United Kingdom, and Germany are likely next in line, especially since these markets have already participated in previous One UI beta programs. So, how can you get this update if it becomes available in your region? The process is quite simple. You need to open the Samsung Members app on your device. Once you're inside the app, look for a banner or a card that mentions the One UI 8.5 beta program. It's usually displayed on the home screen or near the bottom of the page. After that, you just need to register your device for the beta program. Once your registration is approved, the update will show up like a normal software update. You can then download and install it just like any other OTA update. However, there's one important thing to keep in mind. This is still a beta version. That means it's not fully stable yet. You might face bugs, performance issues, or unexpected behavior. So, if your phone is your main daily device, you should think carefully before installing it. Beta updates are mainly designed for testing. They help Samsung fix problems and improve the software before the final version is released to everyone. Still, for users who like trying new features early, this is a great opportunity. One UI 8.5 is expected to bring improvements in performance, design, and overall user experience. While not every feature is officially detailed yet for these foldables, the update is part of Samsung's ongoing effort to refine its software and keep its devices up to date. The fact that older flagship devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 are getting this beta shows Samsung's commitment to long-term support. It also gives users confidence that their devices will continue to receive meaningful updates even after newer models are launched. Overall, this rollout is a positive move. It means Samsung is not only focusing on new devices but also making sure older premium phones stay relevant with the latest software experience. Now all eyes are on the global rollout. If things continue at this pace, more users around the world could soon get their hands on One UI 8.5 beta. And once the testing phase is complete, the stable update won't be far behind.